So you've been thinking about borrowing from your own money, right? Sounds like a magic trick gone wrong. Well, I thought the same thing until I dove into the Navy Federal Pledge Loan. Let's see if it's legit or if I've just been fooled. Okay, imagine this. You have a certificate with Navy Federal but you need some cash. Rather than taking out a high interest loan, you can borrow against your own savings at a super low rate. I mean, who knew you could be your own bank, right? But before you get all excited, let's break down if it's actually worth it. The loan is based on your Navy Federal certificate. Basically, you pledge it as a collateral and get a loan at an interest rate just 2 points higher than your certificate's rate. Nice, right? The kicker is the certificate still earns dividends while it's pledged. So it's like you're borrowing money, but your money keeps working for you. I tried this myself. It's super straightforward whether you're doing it online, over the phone, or in a branch. The process is simple, and if you're wondering about eligibility, it's pretty open as long as you're the owner of the certificate and over 18. Now for the big question, scam or legit? Honestly, Navy Federal Pledge Loan is the real deal. Low interest, flexible repayment options, and it doesn't even penalize you for paying off early. If you're someone who's already with Navy Federal, this could be a great way to borrow without breaking the bank. So is it the financial hack of the century? Well, that depends on how well you manage your savings, but if you've got a certificate, this could be a smart option. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.